Sanctioned mixer Blender relaunched as Sinbad. Elliptic says operators of Blender.io might have launched Sinbad after Blender got sanctioned for processing North Korean hackers' money, blockchain intel firms said. Join the most important conversation in crypto and Web3 taking place in Austin, Texas, April the 26th to the 28th. Secure your seat. Join the most important conversation in crypto and Web3 taking place in Austin, Texas, April the 26th to the 28th. Secure your seat. Blockchain analytics company Elliptic said in a blog post on Monday that an anonymizing service for crypto transactions that was shut down last year has likely relaunched under a new name. Wallets of Blender.io on Bitcoin and Ethereum blockchains were put on a U.S. sanctions list in May 2022 after it turned out North Korean hacker group Lazarus used the service to launder cybercrime proceeds. The U.S. Treasury Department said Lazarus was behind the infamous Ronin hack, when $625 million worth of crypto was stolen from a blockchain bridge protocol used by the popular NFT game Axie Infinity. The hackers then used cross-chain bridges and mixers to launder the proceeds of the hack, and Blender.io was among them. The mixer ceased operations in April, but Elliptic said a similar service was launched in October, which received crypto from Blender.io linked wallets and also was used by Lazarus. Previously, Lazarus used Blender.io and Tornado Cash, another sanctioned mixer whose developer André Pertsev is now under arrest in Netherlands. Unlike Blender.io, Tornado Cash is still working, despite its addresses being on the Office of Foreign Control, OFAC, sanctions list, Elliptic said. But Blender shut. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.